The year is 1969. Under the hood, 7 liters of pure fury. A beast forged in steel, fuel, and defiance. The street is silent until you hear that sound. No music, no mercy, just thunder on wheels. They say, when this charger moves, the asphalt remembers. No electronics, no excuses, just rubber, rage, and raw American muscle. Under the hood, a 7-liter war drum they called HEMI. It didn't whisper, it didn't care. It roared, and the world shut up to listen. From the rear-view mirror, you don't see the road behind, only the smoke you left in your story. Because this wasn't just a car. It was a weapon with wheels, a prayer said in gasoline. And when it's gone, silence hits harder. AuroraDrift, where engines remember and legends return. If you want to hear the full story, like, share, subscribe before this sound disappears for good.